Western Star 57X, one of the newest and boldest heavy-duty trucks in America. It uses the Detroit DD16 engine, delivering up to 600 horsepower and 2,050 pound-feet of torque. It's built with a reinforced frame that can tow nearly 150,000 pounds, yet uses 5% less fuel than older models. The interior is pure luxury, leather seating, smart controls, and even customizable ambient lighting. Number 2, Peterbilt 579 Ultraloft. This modern beast combines power and comfort like no other. It's equipped with a 15-liter Cummins X15 engine that pushes up to 605 horsepower. Its aerodynamic shape reduces drag by 7%, saving thousands per year in fuel. Inside, it feels more like a hotel room than a truck, complete with a refrigerator, microwave, and an 8-foot